looking back into the memory lane. Friday, December 15th, 1995. How many years back? 25 years back. '81 was a golden year. Demand was there, but supply was not enough. And that was a time which put us into importing. Dilavar Khanbhai is my name, and that's where DK originated from. DK started from a very small beginning. I started the business with marketing because I only had 600 pounds in my pocket. That was my capital. Going into the market trading was very, very difficult at that time. We had to get up early in the morning, set up everything and set up the market, and then again close up. It was hard work, but yes, because it was beginning, we enjoyed it. My final goal was into importing, exporting, and wholesale distribution. Because those were the days that if you had the supply, you could sell anything. Internet was not there. But cash and carry business, we realized, is dying. It's become slow day by day. High street shops, they could not survive and they were closing down. So we had no alternative but to go and supply the people who were selling on the internet business. Luckily at that time, my son, Kusema, he entered the business. And he has brought the business from strength to strength into the internet. And if we had not done anything, by this time, we would have really not survived.
At the time when I entered the business, we were very much about hands-on, about selling to our local businesses, to our local retailers, and the business was doing well and was flourishing. But I think we had to move on in the IT arena and get online. Obviously what we're finding now is our loyal customers who were in the market industry, were in the retail business, are getting less and less. With the onset of the new marketplaces, business is getting more competitive, is getting quicker. We're finding as a business we have to react quicker, source better products, better margins for our customers, and bigger brands. Our core values in DK is the staff, the family. We have loyal, hard-working team who allow us to build a business.
I'm Ashok, working here on manager capacity since last 34 years.
My name is Ranjo. I joined DK Wholesale about 16 years ago.
Started business as selling Walkman and cassettes. That used to be a big line for us, but over the times things have changed.
Back then everything was much different, like we were serving customers coming through the doors. Nowadays everything is online, which makes life a bit easier.
Over the years now, obviously the shopkeepers are dwindling, but in that place, e-traders have taken place, and I got more and more people who sell online.
Your customer base is much wider nowadays. I think that's the future. Online is the future.
Manchester Evening News on the Friday, 15 December 1995. That was about 25 years back. And I think at the moment we can probably proudly say that we are probably in the Northwest or in the whole of UK, the best suppliers of the watches, clocks, branded.
With Avasam, I think we're looking to progress the sales further afield, trying to create more product availability for our B2B customers, and to bring their business more in the online arena.
Are you interested in taking the business in the future? very interested. From a young age, I'd come here all the time and I'd fix watches, clean stuff. The future is definitely going online. It's cash and carry business is declining. With Avasam, I hope that this business can grow further.